Hello and welcome to another video about the WordPress world in general, about developing websites, obviously to be successful online businesses. And for today we have another subject. It's about how to create auction websites. If you don't know what an auction site is, auction sites are online platforms where people buy and sell items. This usually happens through a bidding process. It's like a virtual auction house, but it's accessible to anyone with an internet connection, obviously, because everything happens through your computer or phone or tablet or device that's connected to the internet. To create an auction website, first let me give you like a popular auction website. There is Trade Me from New Zealand, eBay, all these kinds of sites. So basically this is an auction website, and in order to create an auction website, you would need either a hosted platform, but usually those are not so popular, or an auction script or software. And the scripts or software are of many types. The easiest way to use is a WordPress theme like this one that we have here on SiteMile. Basically this is the easiest to install and easiest to use. Obviously I guess the cheapest option, because you can have auction sites that are custom made, and they are quite expensive. So you might wonder, what is the auction theme? It is based on WordPress, obviously. WordPress is a popular and user-friendly website building platform, basically the most popular CMS on the internet. It's like a toolbox for creating websites. With WordPress you can customize and design your site. This includes obviously an auction website, and this without even knowing how to code, because the auction website, the auction theme comes with everything included. So this is how it looks. Basically, if you install it, you have all the features that are needed for an auction website. And in today's video we will walk you through the entire process step by step, in order to create your own functional auction website, obviously with the best auction script, which we think is the auction theme. Yeah, the first thing would be to choose the right auction script. Basically, as I was saying, there are many available options. You have WordPress using the auction theme. We obviously offer a solution. There are other auction themes, but we think ours is the best, because we have great support, great features. Yeah. Another option would be a PHP auction script, which those are more expensive and could be worse, because they are very complex. The functionality might not be so great, or the speed and optimization for sure aren't that great. Usually those auction scripts can be ready-made, can cost a few $100s. And the third option would be to create this auction website from scratch. That would require a budget of maybe from $5,000 and up, 10,000, 20,000, something like that, or even more if it's a complex website like eBay, which has microservices, front and back end, all that. but let's stick with building your auction website with WordPress. First, you would need to have an auction, a WordPress website. Obviously, any hosting these days will offer you a WordPress installation for free. You would have to buy their hosting. You see, they have the WordPress hosting already, so you would have to pay for your hosting and your domain name. Second, after you install WordPress or have it already installed by your hosting provider, you would have to go and get the theme itself. This is quite easy to install. It's just plug and play. Usually you go to your admin, your WP admin, you go to themes, and you click on add new. Once you buy from our site, you will get a zip file with the theme itself. You upload here, then the theme will be available for you to activate. Sorry, the theme itself comes with all the features that are needed to host an auction website, pricing and everything included, payment gateways, user balances, layout settings, and yeah, it will let your users post their own items and sell them. As you can see here from the count area, you are able to sell stuff yourself. You are able to post your new item, control the selling and the buying. So you have quite a handful of features at your disposal. So yeah, we think this is the best auction script you can use out there. So now, if you have any questions or need further assistance on buying or using the theme itself, or even custom work requests, we do customization usually for our customers. Let me show you a website which was done with our theme. This has supported quite some customization. We also did another site which involved parts of the auction theme. Some features were used here, although this uses our marketplace theme, but some features were used in this site. So we do quite a lot of custom work. We also do mobile apps with the theme and the system itself. So yeah, for anything, let us know. I hope you enjoyed the little tutorial about creating an auction website, and if you have any questions, just go to the site or ask them in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I wish you a great day. Bye.